Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software update on your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now tap on your device here. Then go to the settings at the right top and right here we have update firmware. So you need to tap on it and it will check for update. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, you will have a button, download and install. So you just tap on it and you can update your software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.